Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Khairil Yamin bin Khairil Anwar. I'm from Bachelor in Information Technology, SEM 5. And today I'm going to present about a guessing number game, which is my visual programming final project. So basically, we have been asked to do a guessing number game. So first of all, the program, I have been connected the program with the database, which is I'm using Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So this is the database. I have already put a few names, a few username, and a few password to uh, to get into the game. So and then I have tried a few games in a different account. So let me test it out. So before that, this is the login form. If we double click on that, we can see there's a code to connect with the database. There's a code to connect with the database. So this is the code to connect with the database that I have been used. Okay, so let's we test it out. Okay, so first of all, I'm using this account, user and password account, this user account. So we key in the username and the password. So the buttons here we can see the password. If you click on that, it will show the password, and then this button, it will clear the username and the password in the text box. If we click on that, it will clear, and this is the exit button. So for the login button, if we key in any unaccessed account, it will come out like this: login details doesn't exist. Okay, we just click OK. We key in the access account, user and password 123. We check it, and then we log in. Okay, so this is the interface of welcoming form. Okay, so here we have a profile button, we have a ranking button, and a start game button, and also an exit button. Okay, so let me start with start game button. Okay, this is the game. So this is a number of guests, how many guests we have been tried. This is cassette number, which number that we have been key in this text box, and this is the game's number that we have been played. Okay, so let me try it out. Let's say I'm guessing number 700. So if it's lower than 700, you will say like that, you are close, but the number is lower than 700. Please try again. Okay, we click OK, and then we try 500. It's still lower than 500. We try 300. Still lower than 300. We try 200. Then it's a bit if it's higher than that number, you will say like that, the number is higher a bit than 200. Please try again. Okay, so that's mean the mystery number is between 300 to 300. Let's say we try 250. Higher than 250. Okay, we try 275. It's higher than 275. We try 283. Higher a bit than 283. We try 290. Higher than 290. We try 295. Lower than 295. Let's say I think it is 292. I know it's higher a bit, so that's it. 293. So yeah, that's it. If it's the mystery number, if we guess it correctly, it will come out like this: congratulations, the unknown mystery number is 293. So we just click OK, and then we have been asked either we want to play again or not. We can just click no, and then it tells us how many times we played this game, and arigato is a thank you in Japanese. Okay, then we just click OK, then it will come back to this form. So now we're going to see the profile button. Okay, for the profile button, no, first of all we see the ranking button first. Okay, if we click on ranking button, so you will see all the all the all the account that have been played in this game and the database. We have a number of game, we have a total guess, and then we have an average guess. Okay, average guess. So this is basically the number of guesses, and then the program calculated in average form. Okay, that's for ranking button. So now we're going to proceed with the profile button. If we click on that, we can see it will come out the username, the username, and then the total games that user have been played, the total guess that user guess, and the average the average guess. Okay, so now we're going to test it out with these two buttons, which is the delete account button and the change password button. So let's try change password button. Okay, now this is the change password form. The program asks us to key in the current password for the user account lah. The current password. So the current password is a 123, right? So if we put any password that doesn't match with the current password and we check it, it will come out like this: password are not matched with your current password. Okay, so if we put in the correct password, then we check it, then the new password form that we want to key in will come out. So we put the new password. Let's say we put 321. We click on save, and then it will say your password has been changed already. We click OK, and then if we see on this database, it will change according to our choosing lah. So here it's already changed to 321. Okay, it's already changed to 321. So that's how change password works with the database. So now we're going to delete account. Okay, so delete account. So let's say we want to delete another account. Let's say I want to delete this Khairil Yamin account. Okay, okay, I put it the username Khairil Yamin, and then the password, satu, and then we press it, delete. Your username or password is wrong. Okay, I don't know. Oh, I forgot. Because of we log in the user account, so that we have to delete that account. Okay, so we delete that account. Okay, password we have to change to we have been changed to 321. We delete. Password is wrong. Okay, I think there's something wrong with my code. I think the program still read my old password, that user old password. We try to delete. Yeah, if it's deleted, it will come out like this: your account has been deleted permanently. Then we just click OK. So if we see on the database, we refresh it, then we see, oh, it's still there. So that's mean there's something wrong in my delete account code. So I will see in I will fix it in the future. So that's all from me. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum.